Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from Group 10. Would like to present about our group assignment. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Muhammad Faris as our beloved lecturer because he helped us a lot in order to finish the assignment. Without him, I think the assignment will not finish well. For your information, this is our first time doing like this activity. Before we move to the next part, as the assignment required us to do in a group, we did manage to make a group by 5. So let me introduce our group members. First of all, we got Muhammad Shahir, that was me. The second one is Nur Farhana. Next, we got Nur Ashah Nadia. And the next is Nuri Mansarah. And last but not least is Tengku Adriana. At this part, I will summarize about our group assignment. First, we need to digitize Campus Sultan Azlan Shah maps. To digitize Campus Sultan Azlan Shah, we are using QGIS. Everyone in our group need to digitize their own map. Next, the assignment period was around 8 weeks. So we will move to the next part. At this part, I will share to you about our group map. As you can see here, this is one of our group map. This map was designed by our group. Before we starting digitize the map, we did discuss about the map first. We did discuss about the scale, the color, and the map size. Okay, next I will pass to Tengku Adriana to share with more detail about the maps.
Hello, I'm Adriana. So let's continue to my part. Okay, one of the important elements that should be in the map is physical and cultural features. Okay, what is the physical and cultural features? Okay, physical and cultural features are things that you can see all around you. Physical features like seas, mountains, and rivers are natural. They will be here even if there were no people around. Cultural features are things like house, roads, and bridge. They have been built by people. So the features can be recorded in the map by using the symbols. The type of symbols used are points, lines, areas, depends on their size and aesthetic. Okay, physical features. Okay, cartographers use different colors and shades to represent the various natural features on the map. For example, blue color is usually used to depict the rivers and lakes. As you can see, in our map, the forest also use the symbol with another color like green to represent it on our map that produced by our group member. Okay, next, catchy features. Similarly, for the case of human features, the map depicts lines for roads or some sort of sign for that object. In our map, we use some shapes to represent as human features. For example, squares are used to represent the buildings on the map. Okay, and many more cultural features found on the Kansas map, such as roads, mosque, bus station, parking, and also lakes. Okay, that which is under cultural features. Okay, so in order to show various features of physical and human significance on the map, so that the readers are able to view and understand by pointing on the map that classify in the legends with reference to scale. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Maisara. Let's continue with my part. My part is about the map scale and the legend. First of all, I will tell you about the title of my map. The title of my map is Campus Sultan Azlan Shah at Sultan Idris Education University or similar with UPSI. Hello, my name. Okay, first I will explain to you guys about the map scale. Map scale is a very important thing while making a map. The scale can describe in a 3 ways. First, ratio, words, and graphic. When you use a ratio, you will take a number of 1 ratio 24,000. Number 2 is words. Word you can say 1 centimeter represent 240 kilometers. Okay, last, The map scale is the expressing in the representative fraction or RF. Okay, about the mind map, I and my grouping use 1 centimeter represent 0.16 kilometer. Okay, for the last one, I will explain to you guys about the map design or legend of the map. Map design of legend is very important as it involves the planning of graphic characteristics of map, including the selection of appropriate symbol, their size and form, style of lettering, specific the width of line, selection of color and shade, arrangement of various elements of the map design within a map, and a design for map legend. So that's why map design is so important while making a map. In my map, we use about 12 legend. So I take 3 of the legend from my map. First, I take a public facility, faculty, and academic block. In public facility, I use the green color, and the first faculty, I use a purple color, and for the academic block, I use the red color. In public facility, we had stadium, field, and adventure parks. For the faculty, we had FPE, we have FSM, and FPM. For the academic block, we had academic complex and academic of NCDRC. So let's continue with another part. I will continue this presentation by analyzing the question. This question is divided into 3 levels, namely low, medium, and high level question. The question chosen by our group is related to the area and direction. How to calculate area is length multiplied with. This is low level question. What does mean bearing and direction? Bearing is the direction of an object or place measure from a reference point. Bearing can accurately determine the position of an object or place. Bearing is expressed in angular value or degrees. A magnetic compass can be used to measure the bearing or a place. The meaning of the direction is the way to a place from somewhere else. The question is, based on the map produced, calculate the area of UPSI field in square kilometer if the scale is 1 ratio of 60,000. As you can see, this is how to calculate the area.
Hello, a very good morning to the fathers and members. Praise to be Allah, finally we have completed our assignment, which is making a map of Campus Sultan Azlan Shah, University Pendidikan Sultan Idris. Today, I'll summarize about our task given. I found many physical and cultural characteristics on Campus Sultan Azlan Shah maps, such as road, lake, building, forest, rivers, and all. We also using colors to see a difference among legends like red and green color on the map. We have been through all the challenging while spending our time together in cafe at night for a few weeks to complete the task. It also taught us to have interest or curiosity to know more about cartography. We also can add knowledge and understand the basics of cartography based on the mapping carried out. We enjoyed too much while doing the task together with members. Lastly, as a geographer, we should try more and study hard about cartography and mapping because it's really important to us. I hope our assignment useful for future generation. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you again.